He had eaten breakfast. He had eaten breakfast. He had repaired the bike. He had repaired the bike. She had cooked breakfast. She had cooked breakfast. The train had already left. The train had already left. I had finished my homework. I had finished my homework. They had cleaned the house. They had cleaned the house. She had washed the dishes. She had washed the dishes. We had completed the project. We had completed the project. He had written a letter. He had written a letter. I had learned the lesson. I had learned the lesson. They had watched the movie. They had watched the movie. She had closed the door. She had closed the door. He had opened the window. He had opened the window. We had planted the trees. We had planted the trees. I had lost my keys. I had lost my keys. She had bought a new bag. She had bought a new bag. He had called his friend. He had called his friend. They had visited the museum. They had visited the museum. We had won the match. I had sent the email. I had sent the email. She had taken the medicine. She had taken the medicine. He had fixed the computer. He had fixed the computer. They had painted the wall. They had painted the wall. We had prepared dinner. We had prepared dinner. I had read the book. I had read the book. She had stitched the dress. She had stitched the dress. He had paid the bill. He had paid the bill. They had crossed the river. They had crossed the river. We had reached the station. We had reached the station. I had forgotten his name. I had forgotten his name.